Hello and thank you for watching. This is Ashley at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm just going to show you very quickly a new 2018 Coachmen Leprechaun. This is a 317 SA floor plan. It got traded into us and it's got less than 29,000 miles on it. It's in great condition. It's got 2 slides, really open floor plan. As you can see on the inside here, you have a full-length sofa, a large booth. Both can convert into beds. You also have your overhead bed above your front seating area. You have your 2-door Dometic refrigerator, 3-burner gas stove and oven. Lots of storage in this one. Towards the bathroom, you have, this is kind of a unique bathroom for these, 2 doors on it. You can access from the main living area or the master bedroom. Back here we do have a very large wardrobe with that extra slide, and this is a queen size bed that you can walk around. So you can see beautiful cabinetry in this piece, good amount of storage, great condition, low miles. If you have any other questions about it or would like to come see it in person, please don't hesitate to stop on by or give me a call directly. You can call or text me at 541-337-2387. And again, this is Ashley at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon.